Hello students, welcome back to a new video of Sunanda's tutorial. So in this video we will discuss about amino acids, acidic, basic and neutral amino acids. Apart from these three types of amino acids, aromatic amino acids are also there. Aromatic amino acid. Okay. At first we have to understand the structure of amino acid. So each molecule of amino acids have one hydrogen atom, one amino group, one carboxyl group and one side chain, which varies in different amino acids. These are building blocks of proteins. They form proteins by forming peptide bonds between themselves. Okay, what is peptide bond? At first, acidic. These are a class of amino acids with negatively charged side chain at physiological pH. Because their side chain contain extra carboxyl acid groups, they can readily donate protons, making them highly polar and hydrophilic, means water loving. As their net charge is negative, these amino acids are essential for forming ionic bonds. It stabilizes the protein structure and it actively participate in enzyme active sites. Okay. Do you know what is physiological pH? It is an optimal pH which is present physiologically, present normally in human cells. Acidic amino acids, where the net charge is negative, there are two examples of acidic amino acid: aspartic acid and glutamic acid. So you can remember this like acidic, aspartic, glutamic, A G. Okay. Next, basic amino acids. These have side chains containing amino group or nitrogen containing ring, which gives them net positive charge at physiological pH. So normally they present in net positive charge. Example: L lysine, A arginine, H histidine. So you can remember this like B, that means basic, H histidine, A arginine, lysine, L bhal. Basic amino acids: histidine, arginine, lysine. Okay. Then neutral amino acid. These amino acids have an equal number of amino and carboxyl group. That means their side chains are unchanged at physiological pH. They are further subdivided into non-polar, that means hydrophobic, and polar, that means hydrophilic. Non-polar groups are alanine, isoleucine, leucine, methionine, phenylalanine, proline, tryptophan, valine. And polar groups are aspargine, cysteine, glutamine, glycine, serine, threonine and tyrosine. Okay. So these are the structure of acidic and basic different groups of amino acids. Another group of amino acids are aromatic amino acids. Examples are tyrosine, phenylalanine and tryptophan. AS, that means aromatic amino acids: PTT, phenylalanine, tyrosine and tryptophan. So these amino acids have aromatic ring in their molecular structure. Okay. Another thing, remember about essential and non-essential amino acids. Essential amino acids cannot be prepared inside our body, so we have to consume it through our diet. So those are essential amino acids. non-essential amino acids can be produced internally. So we don't have to consume it through our diet because it can be readily prepared inside our body. Okay. So carboxyl end of one amino acid and amino group of next amino acid join with each other, removing one molecule of water, forming peptide bond. So amino acid, the structure of amino acid, one alpha carbon atom in the center, then one hydrogen atom, one side chain, amino group, and COOH, that means carboxyl end. It is the structure of one amino acid. And similarly another amino acid with amino group, carboxyl group, one side chain, and hydrogen atom. Carboxyl end of first amino acid forms peptide bond with the amino group of the second amino acid. So carboxyl group, that means COOH, and amino group means NH2. The OH group of first amino acid and hydrogen of amino of second amino acid join with each other, forming one water molecule. Then they form the bond which is called as peptide bond. So in this way, two amino acid join with each other, many amino acids join with each other, forming polypeptide bonds to form linear chain of protein. Okay, so in this way proteins are formed from amino acids. Okay.